Kenna. Hi. Are you in your activity saucer?
This
Wait.
push out.
Wait. Let's get Kenna to laugh. Hi. Kenna. Ba 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 ba. Wow. Hi. Hi. Ba 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 ba. Boop 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 boop. Hi. Kenna is 15 pounds. She just got weighed at the doctor. 15 pounds. Wow, in the 90th percentile for weight. And she's grown 4 inches since she's been born. The 95th percentile for weight, or height.